Hello and welcome to a new video. This video is called Conchada Part 2 because it's the second part of a video divided into two parts, as two figures were filmed in the same location. Now let's talk about the second figure, Oscar the SS-Obersturmführer. Conchada is a village in Travanca do Mondego, a Portuguese town in the municipality of Penacova. I spent a few days in a spectacular hotel with this amazing view and took this box containing two figures with me, but I'm only going to talk about the figure of the officer on the right side of the box. This is Oscar. Oscar is an SS-Obersturmführer of the 1st SS Panzer Division Leibstandarte in the Second World War era. But Oscar, despite his dancing skills, wasn't always like that. This figure has undergone several evolutions over the years until it became what it is today. These are some photos of its evolution, which includes a different body, accessories, and uniforms. The figure is now almost as I'd like it to be. The tunic, the watch, the Luger pistol, and the decorations are from Dragon. The pants, the pistol holster, and the boots are from Did. The visor cap is from a Chinese brand that I can't remember. The collar tabs were made by me with cardboard, sewing thread, metal pieces, and faux leather. The head sculpt and body are originally from this figure. I don't have the original uniform, equipment, or weapons, just the body, so it was customized to its current form. It's a beautiful head sculpt, and despite being originally designed for an English soldier, it looks good as a German officer. The main inspiration for this figure was an old Gaperman figure I had as a child, which depicted a German officer. This figure is currently inspired by various characters from films and TV shows, such as these. I don't think I have anything more to say about this figure. If you'd like to know more, please comment. I respond to all comments.
I don't want any more dolls around me.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.